Hello, I'm Lincoln Wingard and this is my wife Rachel, and we own a coffee and coffee accessory company called Stitch+Brew.
We're excited to share with you how to use our handmade cold brew filters to make your own cold brew at your home.
Now let's start making some cold brew.
When you first get your filter, you will need to pre-wash it by boiling it for about 10 minutes.
Now place filter in the half-gallon mason jar with 1.5 cups of coarsely ground coffee. You could even use a pitcher with a lid if you don't have a mason jar.
Now pour the water through the filter, making sure all the grounds are wet.
Tie the top of the filter so coffee grounds are secured inside.
Now close the lid and put into your refrigerator for about 12 hours.
Pull out the coffee filter and either use the grounds for compost or just throw them away.
Rinse filter out with water and use the drying clip to stick filter on your refrigerator to dry.
Now you can enjoy some delicious cold brew coffee.
Thank you so much for watching.
Click on the link below to get started making your own cold brew coffee.